Let's go! First video time. Hello guys. This is me. Hey, bro, you are
Oh my
done.
god, that bacon using fly hacks. Look.
Where? The Hellboy is planning ultimate hacks. Today, guys, what
ultimate hack, bro.
we are making. We need to do what? We need to reach 10 subscribers. If we make that, I will. Hey boy, I'm just promoting my YouTube channel.
Me too. I just my no. I'm slowly yappity yap yap. So hard.
And
No, the glitch.
no, 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 no.
The glitch gonna fell.
If we reach 10 subscribers,
If I reach 11 subscribers,
if
I will
we
celebrate so
my
hard.
brother, my friend, and my friend, my no, 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 so. We're making YouTube. Where is it? 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 Okay, let's go.
Okay, it's finally done. Can you turn on the fan, please?
No. Fine.
Good boy.
Hey, I hate you. Do not say it again.
Good boy.
Boy, nah.
He's mad now. It's mad because I call him good boy.
For the next, if we reach 10 subscribers, we will face the wheel. Okay?
I already know what he looks like.
We are friends. Boy's almost dead.
Fall again.
Me almost too. Ouch, my head. Oh.
Bro, that's his
We play. Oh.
Bro's built like mango pool.
Hey boy, do not say mango police brain rotted. Too much brain rotted.
That's because the brain rot kids are taking over.
Next time we
need the OGs. We need the OG memes.
Next time we will play 99 Nights in a Forest.
Yeah, if I would agree.
I agree. You need to agree, boy.
Bro's gonna choke me to
I'll
death.
choke you to death.
Bro
If
just
you
said
wanted
the exact same thing I just said.
Because you are a dumb beanie.
And you are a black nigga.
Hey, do not say that. You're racist. You're racist. Oh no 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 no.
Bro just said
We are chilling.
the P word.
Hey boy, we're chilling. Min chilling.
The freak you up.
Min chilling.
Where are you, brod?
Miss out the downy. Downy po.
You are the fools.
No, you are
Bro
downy.
just said the P word.
Hey, boy is peeing. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh, GG, GG, GG. I hate this game.
Oh my god, I'm low health.
Manamod.
I'm low health.
Tapos na ang video.
I'm Amir.
Ayun,
Hello,
Oh.
I am Amir. Please save me. I'm under the water.
I am Amir. Please help me. I am under the water. Boy is like a cat. I am built like a dog. You're a furry, like you are a dog.
You're furry, bro.
I am a dog. I am mad.
How did I just make that? Oh
I have
my god, that was
gold.
the luckiest thing of my life.
I have gold in me. Oh no.
I felt yes for my life.
Nah, but I hate this game.
This is the deep voice. But I'm going to
Boy, this is corpse. Corpse. Bro, is idiot. I hate
good
that.
voice actor if you don't know.
Boy is not an actor.
Bro, you're not even a YouTuber.
You're even not a YouTuber, ba?
I have 11 subscribers, buddy. Oh, 10.
We don't know.
Yeah, I have 6.
No, we can.
You have 2
No.
subscribers, buddy boy.
And,
2 subscribers.
Game me on the map.
I'm not going to shout out you.
I'm leaving.
Bro, just leave. I just roasted
We want-
them so hard.
We want to play other games.
Want to play other games, boy?
We
Games,
play.
good boy. Oh
play-
my god, I just
Mahimo ka duwag mo. Mahimo. We will play
You
shawarma.
just said my real name, you nigga.
We play. Oh.
You just said my real name.
Brother, we need to play shawarma. Join me. Join me.
Oh,
There's a killing shawarma here.
Warham anomalies.
Yes, we need to kill aluminis. The weakest dami is here.
Bro, doesn't
The weakest
know.
dami is here.
Bro doesn't know how to. I don't know.
Boy, the weakest dami is here. The weakest dummy is here. And then here at spawn. The weakest dummy is here.
This
See,
reminds me of the strongest battleground. Should we play that?
in the next short, in the next video, we will play strongest battlegrounds. Let's go, Didi.
But no rage bait, okay? No rage bait.
Didi. We go here. Okay, let's go. Join. What you say to me?
Bro, scared that? Oh.
Let's go play shawarma. What you saying to your audience?
Nothing. That is, I'll tell you the Nippon language. Ay. Ay.
Mukbuk na ano ka? Oh,
Oh my god.
dahil you are die. You're a serious old man. Dahil you are the oldest man alive. Hey. Oh. Do not care, bud. Do not care.
Shut up.
Do not.
Where's the gorilla?
The grill. Where's the grill? Adding grill. Where's the hellish grill?
Oh, that's the dirtiest thing. It kind of looks like your face.
Oh, then na.
Wait, is it this? Okay.
Arbren ko na. Kumaarbre. Okay, let's go. Time to make shawarma.
You're the one in charge of that.
Welcome. Wait. Misreading. Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow the rules. If your smiling customer comes in hand in a soda, the wet moving wonder will give you must stay sealed under the counter. Every Friday around 2 a.m. a car with no driver will arrive. That is inspection. Exit through the back door. Immediately never look back at the shawarma standing during the inspection ever. Okay. Customer. Shawarma and soda makmak.
Where is this?
Take. Hey, help! Help, bro! Help! Help!
And then how the
This is easy.
take the package, put it. No, take that. Put it there. Oh! Get away!
Ako makmak sa
Okay.
soda. Sa soda. Magbutang ka pa daw. Ako
I
sana.
don't think of human hunters.
Soda. Admit. But wala ba siya? Roll the shawarma.
My eyes. Oh, where do I put it? Where did I put it?
Start with the shawarma gyapon.
What?
Magkuha ka, gyapon.
Oh,
Magkuha ka gyapon.
I'm the thing.
Okay, fine. Add sauce. Where's sauce? Where is the hell is the sauce? Oh, this one. Put in that one. Okay.
How do I
Cheese.
grab a cheese?
Daka lang makmaka. Daka na lang. Ikaw sa soda pop.
I think.
The soda. Make the soda. Yeah.
No,
Put
this
the
is
soda. Make the soda.
This whole dance is ruined. Every step I miss it. You all look so chopped. All of you look so chopped.
Voice
That
chop.
is, actually, that is not what I meant. Sorry, I don't want to.
Ay ba, makita ko sa CCTV camera. No.
Close up connection. He's going to back shot every time. Going to back shot that girl.
Makmak. Ikaw na magkikita ha. Makmak, wait lang, makmak.
What?
Wait, naman siya.
What are you doing?
There's a woman. One shawarma. Ako lang bahala sa net.
That is not. That is not a woman. That is not woman, but.
Makmak, ako lang bahala sa net. Ako na, makmak, ako na sa din bahala. Da ka lang magsaluwat. Makmak, magkita ka na lang makmak sin kami sa likodan naton.
Bros from the Philippines, I'm from America.
I'm from America too.
You said.
Oh yeah, I am from the Philippines.
He's from the Philippines, but no English.
Bro, I know how to English,
Oh,
bro.
speak the Nippon language.
The hell is that language?
I mo aram.
Hell. The hell you're
You look like a
speaking?
mannequin. You look like a mannequin.
You look like a mannequin too. You see that name? You see that name?
Your name is Happy, but you don't have a face.
You have no face too. You see that? You see that? You see that? You have no face too, bud.
At least you have a beautiful name. And your skin is white and your hearts are black and your tickly foot are blue. What is that your anomaly, buddy?
Oh, look at there.
That's right. Sit in that corner.
Oh, you're just standing there.
I
nothing to
open
do.
this.
What you do? Bah? Oh, good.
Close the window if you don't want to serve a customer. Serve normal customers. Closing the window on them is a mistake. Don't serve anomalies customers. Serving them is a mistake. Each mistake summons an inspector. If there are too many, he'll fix you. Brethren,
Wait lang, halalida.
bros from the Philippines for you. If we die, if we feed one anomaly, we post this. Okay?
Nah, I hate you, bud. I hate you.
What did you do? That's gonna be an anomaly. They're gonna say, yeah. Ang sabihan mo.
Boy, that is
Oh,
not real.
wait. Anong Tagalog? Pinoy Ati. Bro's gonna say the GYIAAAP. Bro's gonna say
Admit, where's meat at? Hey, boy. Oh, I did it.
oh, you're so weird.
Meat. Bro said add meat. Not the hey! Do not do that.
It's funny, okay?
It's not funny to me, boy.
It's funny.
It's not. Boy's laughing out loud like it's like his it's his ritual. I buy that much more.
You took me here. No, I don't like that.
We want to close. Okay,
Yeah, close
we
that.
do not care.
Yeah.
Okay.
Now should we end?
Nah.
Please.
No.
Please. We've
Wait
been
lang.
standing here for 16 minutes.
Anomaly, do not open. Do not open, Makmak. Makita ko lang ikaw. Kita mo, ina. Do not open na. Okay?
I'm going to see. Oh my god. What the hell? It looks like you.
Eh, do not say it.
I'm going to punch you. Wait. Hold on a minute.
Hey, do not punch me. Hey!
Okay, done. I just had to feed my table.
Nah, boy. He didn't feed his table.
No, he's dying. He's lying.
Boy is lying. Table doesn't need feeding.
Okay, that's it. I'm going to feed. I'm going to grab a energy drink. Okay?
Hey, do not punch me. You are sassy baka. Sassy
I'm pushing.
baka. Hey.
Oh, that's it.
Ah. Do that.
Brush raging. Camera 2, check. I
Paano
see
yata?
I see you. It will be such a troll if someone just opened it.
Makmak. Kapahilat talaga sana eh.
Yeah, close
Oh,
it,
okay na.
close it, close it.
Hindi na, wala naman. Wala naman.
Wala kita eh. Oh. Yep, that's it.
Naka, nag-start na kita.
Oh, nakali. Okay, open the window.
Now close it. Ay!
What did you do, boy? What is out there?
Hindi ko alam. Wala na. There's no more
I'm
one.
gonna open it. Should I open it?
Yes.
Okay. If I see
Yes. We need to open it because there's someone here.
Oh my god.
Ah. No.
It jump scared me. It jump scared me. That was the scariest thing of my life.
No, jump scare. Who jump scared you?
Is that a cat? Okay. If I see something with a wood, what's this? Check the cams. Sharama, do it now!
Wait. Make the shawarma for me. Wait. For just a little bit.
I see something.
Close it! Wait! Where's it?
I like
Where?
it.
Boys trolling.
Wait,
Do
that
not
is from
troll.
Okay.
Do not troll. I hate you.
Wait, next video we should do stick word 3.
Okay. Because my friend here loves Stick War Legacy.
Yeah, and I am a sticker fan.
I hate Stick War Legacy.
I geography from the great old games, like the new ones. I don't think I missed one.
Something. You forgot something. What me
You
forget? What me forget?
What did you forget?
Oh!
Oh.
I said to you, you need to grab drinks, okay?
I didn't know. I'm
Wait.
looking for clothes.
Close it. Close.
I'm checking the cams.
Ako naman kung mag-check counts. ikaw damakmak ang magkikita.
Is it there?
No.
Okay. Oh.
To alarm is do not open it. Wait.
Oh.
Ano?
Close
Boy.
it.
Close it.
Close it.
We are making this boat.
Oh, they never leave, buddy. If I see something,
That our back.
I don't see anything.
Oh, good.
I just see.
Monday.
I just see your stupid face. What are you doing?
Here's the car.
What car? I'm gonna-
Okay, one shawarma.
If we do something sus, I'm going to slap him. Or close the door.
Nah, ba? That's our customer. We need to not do that, okay?
Okay.
Or else I'll kill you.
Closing.
Nah, boy.
Okay, make it a good boy.
Hey, do not say that. Open the lights. We cannot see. Hey, boy. Our lectures will be ruined. Turn off lights. Nakadira kita sa bus stop. I-turn off mo, I said to you.
Turn off ko.
Tapos na yung aton race.
Tapos na.
Yes. Kung nagdadalaga na po di. Wala mo sinarado. Di ka lang.
Okay, for season
Why you
I'm
doing it?
running at full speed. Because I don't want to get transferred. Kafre Costa.
Ha?
Kafre Costa. Auto get round. Okay. Did you just left me?
Wala. Boy,
Oh.
I'm just preparing.
Date.
2. Let's go. Okay, time to go. Always
It's been
check.
24 minutes and 6 seconds.
6-7 minutes.
Bro, it's been not.
Okay, time to open the world times.
Yes.
Close that. Thank you, my brother. Hey, do not broke that. Hey, we are almost out of energy, boy. We are dead, John.
Yay! Let's play some Five Nights at Freddy's.
Hey, there's a drunk boy there. You see that? A drunk
It's
boy.
just like you.
Hey, me do not drink. Me is just a child.
You're not a child like 45 years old.
Hmm.
That's true.
Hey, what you do?
If you don't want to stop it up, I'm going to do this.
Hey, you have nothing to do with that because I'm doing all the hard work and you are doing nothing.
That's not true. I've done everything.
You're a liar. Hey, what's
You're a
this?
liar and a fraud.
What is this?
What? What is this?
The hell is that?
I don't want that. I feel like my leg's going to get grabbed to 6. Maybe it's a little thirsty. Here we go.
Boy, that is not thirsty. What you are? Donkey Kong? No way, Donkey Kong. I want to see Donkey Kong.
It's not Donkey Kong!
That's Donkey Kong, boy.
Shut up.
Chimpanzini banani. Labaka sa tarno sa ternita. Chimpanzini banani dinini. Labaka sa tarno sa ternita. Chimpanzini bananini. Labaka sa tarno sa ternita. Chimpanzini bananini. Labaka sa tarno sa ternita.
I'm leaving.
Do not leave, boy. Do
What
not
are you going to
leave.
do about it?
Please do not leave.
What are you going to do about it?
We have Thursday. Tomorrow we have a lot to do.
That's your big thing.
No, boy, do not leave me to this. Hey, you said you need to leave. Boy, we stole money. Double ganger
Watch out
kasi
for
to.
our own safety, boy.
Oy!
No? What?
Kill me already. You're
Wait, is this funny? Is this funny?
you're sus.
It's funny though. It's funny.
Wait. Didi ka dumakmak.
Bro, just said my real. Okay, that's it. His name is Kyle.
Okay.
His real name is Kyle. His name is Kyle. Kyle C. Dot and Gutierrez.
Hey.
That's not my real name.
His name is Mark Glenn Gutierrez.
No, you forgot one letter with a dot.
We do not care.
I said your
Yeah.
Hey, Kyle C. Gutierrez, come
We
here.
do not care.
I think I made him mad.
What we
If
do?
that old lady jumps at me, I'm going to leave.
Here is a cat. I'm
going to
doing.
step on the cat. Oh.
You're sus.
No,
You're
I'm
sus.
just stepping on him. Wait.
Yeah, boy, you're not stepping on him. You're something to do with him.
Okay. I'm going to do you to oh.
Trader natin. Nagluwas?
Wait, diba? Never mind, I'm not going to say it. Sit there.
Oh, mama.
Oh, that's it. Oh. Where'd you go? Where did you go? Mabakal po ako.
Run! We stole him money.
Oh, what a sick of pay.
Wala. Naka-lose na ito, Wakmak.
What to siya? Nag-cut.
Naka-pay na. Naka-210 na kita.
Oh, wait. Oh, sorry. I kind of know Tagalog.
Eh, boy, knows Tagalog.
Shut up!
Shut up your ass. We are... Hey, why you leave?
That's for today. I'm 14%. Okay? Bye.
Ah!
Yeah.
Now, I'm leaving. That is for today's video. This is for the content. Bye-bye.